Hi, in this minigame tutorial, the coins randomly spawn and fall, and you should catch them with a basket. Let's copy your scene template. Make a new folder for this game scripts. Create a script for Game Manager 2. Make a 2D sprite square. Assign coin sprite to that. Resize it if you want. For basket, we can use these pictures. Set the sprite mode to multiple, crop the basket, and hit apply. Again, make a sprite holder and assign basket sprite to it. Rotate it 180 degrees on Z. You can change its color if you want. Give both coin and basket a box glider 2D. Tag the basket as player. Make an empty game object for Game Manager code. Make a new script for basket movement and give it to the basket and another one for falling coins. Then assign it to the coin. Also give rigid body to coin to fall down. Make a prefab folder and put coins in it. We make the Game Manager a singleton. Let's add text to show scores. Define a score text and a score variable here. Now let's spawn coins at random positions. First, we need coin prefab. We have a spawn rate and range, which means how wide it is possible for coin to spawn from it. When the game starts, the spawning repeats after a 1 second delay and then keeps repeating at the given interval. In a spawning function itself, first we define random x position and a constant height. Then coins are instantiated. We also have a score counter, which we had in previous minigame. In falling object code, we use onTrigger, so let's make basket collider a trigger. Okay, if coins collide to basket, a new score is added and then the coins disappear. But if it hits the ground, it won't give any score. Now let's make a simple ground. Tag it as ground and give it a box collider. In player basket code, we just write left and right movement. In Game Manager, let's assign text and coin prefab. But the basket moves in reverse because I had flipped its sprite. To fix it, make a parent game object and give the code collider and tag to that parent game object. Now the game works fine.